Hey guys, here is the fan. It's a high-speed fan. I bought it for my barbecue stuff. So if I do anything, usually I cook at home, and there's a lot of smoke that covers the house, and the all the alarms goes off. So I use this one pretty much to push the air outside, especially the smoke and other stuff. This is pretty easy to use. It's just one click button over here. Turn it on. And turn it back off too. So the good thing is it has a handle where you can take it easily, portable, everywhere you can go. And then it has this rubber base holders. It gonna keep the unit at one place, and it won't skid, or it won't pull the fan even the fan is on. So it is a pretty good solid tiny super fan, I would call it, for external exhausting smoke outside the home quickly without relying on the exhaust fan that's in the kitchen. So this is an extra exhaust that kind of take all the air out, and it can also filter the good air with the help of the filters that go here. You can also put some filters here that came with it, so the bad air is filtered. If you want to pull some good air inside the home when you don't have enough oxygen, it can help you too. Pretty good solid structure. I like it. The fan is pretty steel, everything is steel, pretty solid.